So what you're going to do is go ahead and download the BlueParrott app to your phone. Go ahead and launch the BlueParrott app, and you may see an icon that has the word update. If it doesn't, give it a few seconds and it will show up, and it will push a notification to you that says you have a new firmware version available. And if you do, it may take about 40 minutes for it to go ahead and go through the entire process. There we go, validating the upload. And then once it's validated that package, it will go ahead and push it to the BlueParrott upgrade complete. Click on out of there, and you may get this rebooting in progress. Don't unplug anything. Go ahead, upgrade now is fully complete. You can double check it, and you'll get an alert that'll say there is no more firmware update available. So you're good to go at that point. Now, if you have any additional problems, you can go ahead and reach out to BlueParrott by email or by calling BlueParrott, and they will get in touch with you and try to work through that point. It'd be a shame if you were not able to use all the buttons and functions on the BlueParrott, and that's why I've created a video around this so that you know how to get the best usage of the device. I've got it up here, and I'll see you in that video.